Hello everyone. Welcome to week 6 of the TD Summer Reading Club. So this week is called Make Some Noise. And with that, we will be making these noise makers. So I will be showing you everything that's going to be in your pickup kit, and then we will read a story. So in your kits, you will have this sheet here that shows a picture of what your craft could look like, and then it'll have a list of everything you need to make it, and then the instructions on how to make it. And then you'll have this coloring sheet, and then you'll have your circle for your noise maker with the hole punches in the side, and then in this little bag you'll have 2 pieces of string, some beads, and then this wooden craft dowel, as well as 2 different color pieces of paper to put on either side of your cardboard. So for our story this week, we'll be reading Teamwork by Robert Munch. Teamwork. Matthew, said his mother, you are drawing all the time. You need to play sports. Sports are good for you. Matthew drew a picture of a purple Tyrannosaurus. Matthew, said his father, you need to play sports. Sports are good for you. Sports teach you teamwork. Matthew drew a green sky behind the purple Tyrannosaurus. Matthew, said his father, pay attention. Matthew drew a yellow bird in the green sky behind the purple Tyrannosaurus. That's it, said his mother. She put him in the car, drove him to the park, and signed him up for baseball. The coach gave Matthew a cap and a big glove and put him in the right field. A ball flew over Matthew's head, but he didn't move. The other players yelled, Matthew, pay attention. A ball flew by Matthew's foot. He drew a sunset on his shirt. The other players yelled, Matthew, pay attention. A ball flew by Matthew's ear. He drew a yellow stegosaurus on his shoe. The other players yelled, Matthew, pay attention. Finally, a ball flew out and landed right in Matthew's glove, and he didn't even have to move to get it. Look at this, said Matthew, a plain white ball. He drew a picture of the coach on the ball. Hey, yelled the other players, throw it back. So Matthew threw the ball back to the catcher. Wow, said the catcher, and he came out to right field. Matthew drew a giant and a unicorn on his uniform. The catcher gave him another ball, and Matthew drew a yellow and green monster on it. Soon, all the balls had drawings on them, and everyone was throwing them back and forth, looking at the pictures. Wow, said the coach. What a team. Look at them throw. That's amazing. Then the pitcher threw a ball to the coach. It was the one with his picture on it. In the picture, he had a large purple pimple on his nose. Yikes, said the coach. What's going on? It's Matthew, everyone yelled. The coach looked at all the balls, and he looked at Matthew. He threw a ball to him. It hit Matthew in the head, and he didn't move. Said the coach. The coach walked out to right field and said, Matthew, you have really figured out how to make this team work. But right field is not a good place for you. Where are we going to put you? I could be team artist, Matthew said, and he drew a purple Coachosaurus on the coach's uniform. Yay, said other players. 3 cheers for Matthew. The end. So for your challenge this week, I want to know if you have any go-to cheers to make some noise when you're in the crowd at a sports event, or if you are on a sports team that has a good cheer. I'd like to hear them, so send them into the library for a chance to win this book bundle. So there's 6 books in this bag that you could win if you send in your cheers. I also just wanted to mention that on August 19th, the library will be holding a virtual Discover Dinosaurs program with the Royal Tyrrell Museum in Alberta. So if you would like to register for that, make sure to email Brianne and we will put you on the list. I also want to remind everyone to make sure they check out the story walk on the Millennium Trail in Warkworth. If you take a picture of yourself enjoying the story walk and post it to the Trent Hills Library Facebook page, you will be entered in a draw to win a gift certificate to the Village Pantry in Warkworth for some ice cream. So make sure you go and check that out and post it to the library's Facebook. Alright, so that's all I have this week. Don't forget to stop by the Warkworth, Hastings, or Campbellford branch to pick up your craft kit to make this noisemaker. Also, don't forget to send in your cheers to the library. Have a good week, everyone. See ya!